Hey guys, getting ready to do some blacksmithing. Stick around. Okay, so check this out. I'm going to start doing blacksmithing again. I had tried that a few years back. I'm going to give it another shot. And what I need to do today is I'm going to try to build a stand to put the anvil on. I got looking around. I don't have many 2x4s left out of my junk lumber, but I did find a couple of these 2x6s. And I also found this beast 2x10. So I should have plenty of lumber to do that with. And so I don't have a real anvil yet. What I've got, I went down to the junkyard, picked up that WT welded with 2 angles on the bottom of it, and the sucker's freaking heavy. So that's what I'm using right now for an anvil. I also have a piece of railroad track. That's not very big, but it would do in a pinch. Okay, so what I got going is I cut several of these 2x6s in half, a couple of 2x6s in half. I just ran them down the table saw, and then from the 2x10 there, I cut off the 26 inches that I needed here and made a few more of them. And so now we're putting our frame together over here. Zoom that out a little bit. There we go. Putting our frame together, and I'm kind of double notching these like that all the way around, hoping they'll give it a little bit more strength, and there will be another one going right up through here when I'm done. That should make it plenty strong. I'm not worried about it holding it up. I'm worried about it bouncing around. Okay guys, I think I got it. Whew. Very solid. Got a knot right there, the screw was going away in. My drill is, I think, about done for the day. It's really hot. But this thing is super sturdy. Ugh. Not even any cross bracing on it. So my makeshift anvil, probably go something like that. One of these days I'll get a real anvil, put that one on here.